top focus story this afternoon. The RSS has tried to downplay the controversy after its chief Mohan Bhagwat questioned Mother Teresa's intentions of service. The Sangh says that Bhagwat's comments must be seen in proper context. Addressing a gathering in Rajasthan's Bharatpur, Bhagwat had said that conversion to Christianity was Mother Teresa's main objective behind her service to the poor. Bhagwat added her service to the poor was good, but not when her real motive was to convert those being helped to Christianity. Well, Missionaries of Charity has reacted to Bhagwat's remarks, saying that he is ill-informed and he must visit their mission in Kolkata to know more about their work. Bhagwat's statement comes days after Prime Minister Narendra Modi promised that he will not allow intolerance against any faith.
मदर टेरेसा जैसी सेवाएं हो रही, मैं कहता हूँ मदर टेरेसा जैसी सेवाएं यहाँ नहीं है। ये सेवा बहुत अच्छी होती होगी वहाँ, लेकिन पीछे एक उद्देश्य रहता था कि जो सेवा जिसकी होती है वो कृतज्ञता से ईसाई बन जाए।
All right, joining me live at this point in time are my colleagues Brijesh Pandey and Indrajit Kundu. Brijesh, I'd like to come to you first. This is a huge embarrassment for the government. This just comes days after Prime Minister Narendra Modi promised that there wouldn't be any kind of religious intolerance towards any sect or religion. These comments by the RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat have definitely embarrassed the government. And to make matters worse, Brijesh, MG Vaidya has further come out and endorsed those views.
Well, the RSS is trying to play it down by trying to make a distinction as to this is not what the RSS chief has said, and they are blaming it on the ex-DGP or DG of BSF Prakash Singh, and said that he said this particular statement, and Mohan Bhagwat merely replied to a question asked by them. But what is extremely surprising, Rishika, is the fact that almost several BJP MPs privately agreed with what RSS chief said. In fact, Meenakshi Lekhi, who is a member of Parliament from New Delhi constituency, she said that yes, it was an open secret, and if you go and read her autobiography, it will be very clear that she was all out for conversion, and there is no denying of the fact. So it's a very strange kind of situation which is developing, where one side RSS is trying to play it down,
right,
but on the other side there are several MPs of the BJP who themselves are saying that yes, what Mohan Bhagwat said is absolutely nothing wrong in it, and so it's a strange kind of situation which is emerging within the BJP and the RSS.
Strange situation emerging within the BJP. The RSS coming out and defending it, but the BJP coming out and supporting it. Well, before we get a word in from Indrajit, I just want to play out the reaction that we're getting in from the missionary in Calcutta. Let's listen in to what they've had to say.
Well, I think he's been misinformed. You know, there is, I can only say that the work at Mother Teresa's Missionaries of Charity has been going on at the same pace, if not more. People come and help. And otherwise, there's no question of any conversions or anything. The mother was beyond religion. And I mean, people who are inmates at the different various homes, they are not only Christians. So, I mean, we know it is not true. So there was nothing. I'm only behaving or saying what mother would have said. In reaction, she would have also said that, you know, he's been misinformed, and let's pray. That's it.
I'd like to go across to my colleague Indrajit Kundu joining us live from Kolkata. Indrajit, we just heard what Sunita Kumar of the Missionaries of Charity in fact had to say. They say that they don't want to come out and register their protest, but clearly the work that Mother Teresa had done over a period of time was definitely beyond the confines of religion. Are they at all planning to take this matter forward?
Well, as far as the Missionaries of Charity is concerned, you know, they are not going to go out overtly protesting against what Mohan Bhagwat has said. They say that their work speaks for themselves, and they really don't need to react, you know, very aggressively coming out on the streets or perhaps protesting against what he has said.
Right.
They say that Mother Teresa shares a very important place in the hearts of millions, not only in Calcutta but across the world. And it is her work that speaks for herself. And that's the reason why people in Calcutta still revere and love Mother Teresa so much. And that's the reason why they would want their work to speak for themselves. And if Mohan Bhagwat feels that he wants to visit the missionaries of charity here in Kolkata, perhaps they would be happy to give him a tour and give him a personal look as to the kind of work that the mission is engaged in doing here for the poor.
All right, missionaries of charity, they're extending an invitation to Mohan Bhagwat to in fact come and see the work that they're doing. I'd like to get in a quick word in from Brijesh. Brijesh, this could potentially blow up into a big political controversy given the fact that opposition is already up in arms against this comment that the RSS chief has made. We just heard Derek O'Brien in fact come out and lash out at the government.
Well, absolutely. It has all the potentials of becoming a big political controversy. Not only that, it has the potential of derailing almost the entire budget session. And it's extremely strange because a big section of the government last time when winter parliament session was in progress, big section of government made protests to the RSS and various other fringe Hindu outfits, asking them to refrain from making these kind of controversial statements. But I mean, who will bell the cat? Who will go ahead and tell this to Mohan Bhagwat is the big question.
Which, absolutely. Who will bell the cat is of course the big question. Stay on with me because Bhagwat's comments come despite the Prime Minister's call for harmony at a recent event hosted by the church in Delhi to honor 2 Catholics who in fact attained statehood. Now 2 months. It hasn't even been a couple of weeks in fact since that statement came out. Let's just listen in to what exactly the Prime Minister had to say.
Mother Teresa जैसी सेवाएं हो रही, मैं कहता हूँ मदर टेरेसा जैसी सेवाएं यहाँ नहीं है। ये सेवा बहुत अच्छी होती होगी वहाँ, लेकिन पीछे एक उद्देश्य रहता था कि जो सेवा जिसकी होती है वो कृतज्ञता से ईसाई बन जाए।
My government will not allow any religious group belonging to the majority or the minority to incite hatred against others overtly or covertly.